You got knocked the fuck out, man.
Hey, oh my God. So Jacure himself has come out and said that he was indeed the one that got punched out in that video that have been circulating all over Facebook, all over the internet. At first he said it wasn't him, but now he's saying it's him. So let's break down this story for you guys in a nutshell. Here, right here, we're gonna do that. So when the first video came out of the altercation, I actually thought that it was not Jacure, because to how the video was set up and to how the person was videoing, I just went with it wasn't Jacure. He was the one that was trying to part the altercation. Then a few days after that, he came out and said that he was trying to part a fight between two Bahamians that were intoxicated, that was inebriated, that was drunk basically, and he wasn't hurt, he wasn't the one on the ground. None of that is true. Making false allegation about him. So I'm gonna drop in the video what were his initial thoughts and what was initially what he said about the whole video, about the whole altercation.
My head's underwater, but I'm feeling fine. Yes, I'm underwater this time, 'cause all of me is underwater today. It's time for some real truth now. See the pasta where you see a circulate on the internet? That's dirt. Nothing but some dirt. And if it was a truthful dirt, maybe I wouldn't be on the internet right now explaining to you. I would just run away from it, but because I know it's crap, none of it is true. First of all, I'm just going to address this fast because I have 1 minute. I'm not into the long explanation because I don't owe all of you. The well-wishers, the people that really care about me, for you and the ones and all my friends and their wives that laughing at me, you're laughing in vain, because guess what? I didn't get beat up. I wasn't in a fight. I just was trying to part a fight between two Bahamians. One of them was crazily drunk and acting stupid. Atlantis, remember you owe me some money because I'm doing your work, because the security of the Atlantis should be charged for negligence.
Alright, so that what you just saw was Jacure explaining to the world on his Instagram and Facebook, because these are official videos that I took from his Instagram and Facebook, saying that it wasn't him. He's alright. Nothing, he wasn't knocked out. He was just trying to be a good Samaritan basically and part a fight. So, and he was also saying that Atlantis need to be blamed, the security guard needed to be blamed for negligence, because he allowed that fight, that altercation to occur, and he didn't do anything, and he was doing Atlantis jobs basically, trying to part the fight or trying to stop them from fighting. So that was his initial statement. Now I'm gonna show you guys a video of him getting arrested, being escorted by the Bahamian police this morning, and I'm gonna insert the video right now.
Them come. What they going boxing for? Well, Rasta God. Boom, bugler. So tell me what Jacure. Them come. What they going boxing for? Well, Rasta God.
So that was Jacure getting arrested by the Bahamian police after the whole incident went viral on the internet. They arrested him this morning with his manager for fighting. Jacure pleaded not guilty. The manager pleaded guilty and was awarded to pay. The manager was awarded to pay 150 Bahamian dollars or 1 month in prison. So the beef, all that was squashed. Everything was squashed and over with. And Jacure did a press release. And I'm going to insert a clip, a little snippet of the clip that he did in the press release, that he now is admitting that he was the one on the floor, that he was on the floor for about 15 seconds, and he was so mad that he got his good shirt torn and all this other stuff. So I'm going to insert the video right now.
In seconds.
It all happened very fast. When I hit the ground, the guy ran. I was so ashamed that I get my nice shirt tear off, trying to be a peacemaker. I fell on the ground for 2 seconds. I stayed there. Even when my friends come to take me up, I said, leave me alone.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
You got knocked the fuck out, man. Give me.
So that was Jacure trying to explain that he was on the floor and he was whatever. He was the one on the floor, basically, is what he said. That's the part that stick out to me. That's the part that I really wanted proof on this story about before I ran the story, saying that he was the one actually on the floor, because no one had legit proof that it was him. And at first he was coming out and saying that it wasn't him, so that it made everyone to believe that it wasn't him. But now he's actually coming out and saying that he was on the floor. He was only trying to part a fight from intoxicated Bahamians, and I guess he got knocked out. He got in the middle and then he got hurt. So this is what gets me about it. It's so hard for our men to admit stuff like this. Like, if you get knocked out, man, you get knocked the fuck out. Like, nigga, you got knocked the fuck out. Okay? So it's nothing to say, yeah, I was in a fight, he was bigger than me, I'm smaller, and he knocked me out. I was just trying to part a fight. I was trying to be a good Samaritan. And with this whole entertainment industry, you have to keep up this specific image, this specific persona, that you're a big macho, big bad man and all these things. Like, all he had to do was admit that it was him, and that was that, and keep it pushing. Like, a few days later there'll probably be another bigger story and people will forget all about him. But he made it such a big deal when at first he said it wasn't him, and now he's coming out and saying it was him. So every time a Jamaican artist go overseas to one of these Caribbean islands, they always have issues. And when they do have altercation in these Caribbean countries, they always get locked up. They always are guilty before proven guilty. So the innocent before proven guilty is out the window. They're just guilty because they're entertainers and they're not from the specific country, and they don't have like the government side with them because they're not from that specific country, and they probably don't know how their justice system works. So as soon as you go to these countries and you have an altercation, immediately they lock you up, arrest you, and all that other stuff. Now this is where I have an issue. If you're going to be an entertainer, you need to pick your battles, because obviously our artists, our Jamaican artists especially, are being targeted, because Jacure is not the first one to get locked up overseas for altercation at all. So they need to be more mindful, they need to be more aware, they need to have their own personal security guards with them and pick their battles wisely. Because I feel like if Jacure was actually really trying to separate a altercation, then he should have just known to pick his battles and just walked away and left it alone, because he's a Grammy nominated international artist. Like, you have to pick your battles wisely, because lights, cameras, action, everything is going to be on you as long as your name is mentioned with that big of a fan base that you have. So I feel like they need to pick their battles wisely. When they go to these Caribbean countries also, they need to be more aware of their justice system and have the justice system on their side. Make sure that they're not in the wrong, and they have intelligent, good, grounded people with them that are not gonna put them in certain predicament and certain altercation. I feel like they need to have more grounded people around them. They need to be aware of their surroundings, and they need to be more in tune with the justice system of these countries when they go there. So, and the thing is, I hate about our people, they're so quick to be negative, they're so quick to bash, they're so quick to believe everything that they see in the media. And honestly, the media have a way of twisting things. They have a way of turning certain things, some little things, into big things, and they have the power to manipulate and influence people. So you guys need to be very aware of your consumption of mass media production also, and just be more positive, especially when it comes on to our brothers and sisters, man. We are all one. We're all one people. We need to be more united, and this crab in a barrel mentality, so I'm so sick of it. Be more positive, be more uplifting to our people, and that's all I have to say about this topic. Jakir, I wish him nothing but the best. I hope he actually went to a doctor, because he got. But I actually hope he went to a doctor and make sure everything was right with him, because when you get hit like that, it can do a lot of damage to you unknowingly, and a lot of people don't know until it's too late. So I hope he went to the doctors. I hope he got everything squared away. Jakira, I wish you nothing but the best and long life and enough prosperity and enough money. Excuse me guys if I look a bit greasy and a bit discombobulated. I just got home from work. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl. I didn't want to leave y'all hanging. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl. I'm up out of here. Deuce.